you really had the last word. I mean, even though you were the last speaker, because the expertise with which you dealt with the subject of marketing, I'm sure must have been a revelation to a number of companies present here, and also to marketers of other products, not only the product, herbal products. Because as we know, to a limited extent, as a financial institution, export marketing is an art and science by itself. As he rightly said, it requires certainly a very long-term effort. It is not just selling, it is marketing. It's much bigger than just selling. Because marketing involves a number of steps: desk research, product adaptation, adhering to world standards, quality control, certification, contacting buyers abroad, bringing buyers to India and showing them your facilities, participating in international exhibitions, trade fairs, and making your product known on a sustained basis in the international market. I think that is what marketing is all about. And I'm sure we have certainly learned a lot from your experience, Mr. Bhatt. I think we have come to, since only two of us were there, we have come to the end of the session on exporting and marketing. And I have tried to deal with the financing part of it, and Mr. Bhatt has tried his best to deal with the marketing part of it. So we'll be very happy to respond to some questions from the audience in case you have any. Could you use the mic?
Sir, actually what happens, particularly in the case of this herbal medicines, nowadays what the problems generally is coming, that is the very low cost. Just we are going to, suppose for cultivations, the problem is rising that the cost of the after cultivation, it is not matched with other crops. First, and second one, sir, that is the black marketing. Until and unless this black marketing is not controlled, it is very difficult to suggest the cultivation in the farmers level, because nowadays we are supposed to failure to get the medicinal herbs from the forest cover, sir. Then there may be some specific measures for these aspects. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Dear friend, in fact, I will attempt to reply your question. Being very honest with you, I didn't get what exactly you wanted to ask, but process of standardization and scientific validation starts process of validation starts from the farming itself, and for black marketing, I feel like that there is no control for as such, to forcibly cease or to stop, and it is being faced in all the areas all over the world. So I feel it's still difficult to control.
Yeah, but coming to the other side of the question, that is, you are talking of cultivation, the support for cultivation, which you were talking about, right? Is that the point which you mentioned?
One question is that I am Dr. Sundaryal from an NGO based in Lucknow, especially for Alembic, Mr.
Yeah.
You have also shown, Exim Bank has also shown, and statistics shows that there is a growing trend of herb product in other countries.
That's right.
On the other side, if we see the availability of the herbs, we don't have any data of that, how much herbs was available in last year and how much was. I am giving you an example of amla. Data says, or people say, that the consumption of amla by 2 or 3 pharmaceuticals as Jabbar and Chandu is of that amount, that much amla is not available, is not planted even throughout the country.
That's true. I agree.
Then where from that raw material is coming? It leads to the quality of the products. So, what I mean to say, one side, the export of these products is increasing and it will go increasing and increasing. On the other side, the availability of the raw material is very short, or if it is available, the quality is doubtful. What is the quality? Then what is this ye natak kya ho raha hai? Please.
I would see this very point was raised because coming from the industry, I may not give you a very blunt response to your point, but it's a valid point, and I give due honor to the point what you raised. And this very point was even raised by the ORG agency, which attempted to undertake the survey of the consumption of amla. And they concluded with a very sad note that the amount of amla to cope up the requirement of Chyawanprash is not being produced by India itself. And I fully agree to it. That is where the role of standardization, structural elucidation, continuous validation of the process and the formulation comes in. And I feel that my predecessors and co-speakers dwelt in a lot on this issue, and now the way things are coming up from the horse's mouth, the way FICCI is getting involved into, all the issues are going to be dealt in a very scientific and strict way. And in a nearby future, when we meet next, we will have a conclusion and clear-cut, guidance for this sort of problems what we are facing nowadays. So I would conclude in this. Yeah.
I can give one suggestion, and if you will permit, I think now all we are Indians are here, so if you permit me to speak in Hindi so that everyone could understand them. एक डायलीमा दूसरा भी है, फील्ड में हर्ब्स अवेलेबल हैं बट इन ए वेरी स्मॉल क्वांटिटी. दूसरी तरफ काफी लोग इसको कल्टीवेट करने की इच्छा रखते हैं. इसी सेमिनार में 4 और 5 लोगों ने मेरे से कांटेक्ट किया और हमारे डिस्कशंस हुए. एक्सपो में भी काफी ऐसा वो था. तो लोग इच्छुक भी हैं जिनके पास लैंड है और खराब पड़ी है. इवन इन बंजर भूमि में भी काफी हर्ब्स की पॉसिबिलिटीज है. तो एक तरफ डिमांड बहुत है, दूसरी तरफ करने वाले भी हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स भी अवेलेबल हैं, पर कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ है. जो गड़बड़ मैं समझ पाया हूं, नंबर 1, गांव में अवेलेबिलिटी इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज, तो उनका कलेक्शन का एक प्रॉब्लम है. इंडस्ट्रीज को आपको चाहिए बल्क में, कंटिन्यूस सप्लाई चाहिए, बल्क में सप्लाई चाहिए. वो उनके पास में रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, उनके पास में इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, उनके पास में ऐसे रिसोर्सेज नहीं है कि वो उन सबको कलेक्ट कर पाए. आपसे इंडस्ट्री से मेरा थोड़ा ये एक सजेशन था, अगर आप कुछ एनजीओस को लोकल लेवल पर एनजीओस खूब काम कर रहे हैं इस एरिया में, दे आर डेवलपिंग ऑन, बट दे आर फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम एज आई एम फेसिंग, कि उनके प्रोडक्ट्स को, छोटा प्रोडक्ट है, कम प्रोडक्ट है, कहां पर मार्केट करें. इफ यू कैन टाई अप विद सम लोकल एनजीओस, इस तरह की कॉन्फ्रेंसेस अगर आप स्पॉन्सर करें, गवर्नमेंट साइड को भूल जाइए, गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, पर गवर्नमेंट के जो वो हैं, हमने भी देखे हैं, अपने भी देखे हैं, सबने देखे हैं. अगर आप इंडस्ट्रीज वाले इसमें आगे आए और कुछ सपोर्ट करें, वी आर फ्रॉम उत्तरांचल एंड उत्तर प्रदेश, वेयर पीपल आर रेडी टू, और ये सिचुएशन पूरे कंट्री में होगी. तो आई थिंक ये जो हमारा है और क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, कम से कम हम इंडियंस को तो मिल जाएंगे और बाहर भेजेंगे तो यू विल गेट मोर प्रॉफिट. इफ दिस इज फॉर इंडस्ट्री.
We do appreciate your suggestion, and it's a year and a half back we took a strategic position for nutraceuticals for international market. Over the period of time when we grow, we would give chance let others to grow, because we believe in philosophy of partners in progress. And I deeply honor your suggestion, and an appropriate time it will be taken care of.
Yeah, of course, only just to supplement the point which you was mentioning, in terms of projecting our products abroad, it is important that the different stakeholders, including institutions like us, Government of India, through the embassies abroad, have to necessarily kind of organize such expositions abroad where our products are displayed in a big way. and I'm aware at least of one instance which took place recently in Latin America, where a very big show was organized by one of our embassies abroad, where quite a few Indian companies could display their products, and I understand that a lot of interest was generated in the Indian products there. And we have our own presence abroad. Exim Bank of India has got 5 offices overseas, including an office in Budapest, Hungary. And through our office in Hungary, Hungary being one of the markets very much interested in Indian products, Ayurvedic medicines, and not only Hungary, a few other countries in the Eastern European market, because I was personally present in Poland recently for offering a line of credit to one of the banks in Poland, and I met a cross-section of industry representatives in Poland, and quite a few of them were asking not about many of the other products of India, not about engineering products, not about even textile products. Many of them were asking about the Ayurvedic products from India. They were quite interested in promoting Indian Ayurvedic products abroad. So it is important that the stakeholders like us, like Government of India, like the embassies abroad should join and try to display at least the authentic Indian products, herbal products abroad. This is, I think, the only way to market our products, and they should really try to understand what is the quality, efficacy, and the worth of the Indian herbal products. Of course, this besides actually meeting the standards, the efforts in marketing, all that has to be there. But in addition to that, it is important for us to display our products. I think the point which you mentioned is quite relevant there. Yeah.
Hello, sir. I am representing a plantation company. Yes. My question is mainly to Exim Bank or banking sector. My question is, you told that you are doing import and export, you are financing. My question is whether you are ready to give for cultivation for this herbal products, herbal plantations. Because in my company, one of my directors still in Australia. Our problem is so many people from abroad to ready to finance us. Presently, the Reserve Bank regulations are not allowed to foreign investment except the tea plantation in India. So I am asking that here that gentleman in Hindi told that I think that he is unavailability of these materials. I think we have enough land. That means more than 3,000 acres of land we are holding. My company is thinking to convert it into rubber or coffee or tea. My director sent me to here to study about the herbal plantations. We are very interested to do it. But my land is lying at near Guwahati airport, that is northeast. Normally very difficult to do there, the banks there. We are going to approach. Your Exim Bank told you are doing so many things, these things. What is your policies and these things regarding the cultivation of organic cultivation? We are holding purely organic land.
Yeah.
Any idea? Can you give it to me? That I am asking you.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah. Domestic cultivation, of course, is not something which Exim Bank alone can look at, because our focus is exports, promotion of exports from India. But we can certainly look at it in coordination with the other relevant agencies, like there are agencies like NABARD, the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. And talking of the northeastern region, we ourselves have an office in Guwahati. We have an office in Guwahati. Exim Bank of India has an office in Guwahati. So possibly through our Guwahati office, we can try to understand the needs of the exporters in the northeastern region. And to the extent there is a focus for exports, we can certainly look at what we can do. I mean, here you are talking of specifically cultivation. You are specifically talking of the use of the land. But we can certainly look at the larger aspect of financing the export orientation, financing the export production. So that can be certainly looked at. That shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. We can do that. We can discuss that and see how we can coordinate with you. Could you use the mic? Could you kindly use the mic? No, can you?
We already planted 50 hectares of lemongrass there. They told us that you take a bank loan first, then apply for the subsidy. Same thing is horticulture department also said. Unfortunately, we didn't take any loan from the bank. Then how we will get it the subsidy? The same thing is Medicinal Plant Board also telling to me. I visited there 2 hours. I waited. I asked some books. They had given me some books. We are in new field, but I don't know their rules and regulations. I am thinking to send a letter to them. First of all, they are telling to go and take a loan from the bank. Then only they give the subsidy.
Of course.
Then you are entitled for a subsidy. They already clear in the bank book thing, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. I am from National Medicinal Plant Board.
Yeah, that's right.
We have very clear
wish
policy
you may-
regarding cultivation of medicinal plants. If you have 4 things which you can achieve, one is your land document, second is 10% loan from your bank, and third is your state board recommendation should be there. Then National Medicinal Plant Board is ready to give you 30% of total project cost. It's very clear. We have written our guideline, we have our website, and last year itself we have received more than 5,000 projects from all over India. It's not a question of that bank is not giving. Bank is giving the loan. In fact, NABARD have issued these nationalized and scheduled bank letter that these crops must
Yes,
be
that is
given.
what I was talking about. Yeah, fine. Okay,
Everything is-
I think you had a point, sir. Yeah.
हाँ जी, हमने
Everything is clear.
टैनिक एसिड बनाया
Hello.
मज से। टैनिक एसिड मज से बनाया। हमारा टैनिक एसिड दुनिया के किसी भी देश से बढ़िया क्वालिटी का है, ज्यादा प्योर है। हमारे देश में चीन से, फ्रांस से, जर्मनी से टैनिक एसिड आता है, काफी बड़ी मात्रा में आता है, और हमको कितने साल इसी काम में लग गए, बनाने से भी ज्यादा टाइम लगा कि हम कैसे अपने टैनिक एसिड को बेचें। अब बड़ी कंपनियां थोड़ा थोड़ा टैनिक एसिड हमारा लेने लगी हैं। पहले बोलते थे कि ये टैनिक एसिड आपने कहीं से उठा लिया होगा, चुरा लिया होगा, सारे देश में कोई बनाता नहीं है, आपने कैसे बना लिया इसको? ऑपरेटर भी आप बनाए, सारे सदन इकट्ठे किए, और हम जितनी चाहे क्वांटिटी में टैनिक एसिड बना करके देश में सप्लाई कर सकते हैं। और हर टेस्ट में वो पूरा उतरेगा, 98% तक प्योर होगा, और हमने सभी लेबोरेटरियों में उनको टेस्ट करवा लिया है, और वहाँ जहाँ भी चाहे वहाँ भी टेस्ट हो सकता है। कंपनियां भी हमारा टेस्ट करके लेती हैं, तो भी हमको इतनी बड़ी मात्रा में मार्केट नहीं मिल रही कि हम उसको बड़ी मात्रा में बनाएं। हमारा देश उसको इंपोर्ट ना करे, बल्कि एक्सपोर्ट करे। हम चाइना से, फ्रांस से सस्ता बना करके देंगे, और ज्यादा बढ़िया क्वालिटी का बना करके देंगे। जैसी जरूरत होगी वैसा बना करके देंगे। हम ये भी चाहते हैं कि हमको पता चले देश में और किसी हर्बल ऐसे साल्ट की जरूरत हो, तो हम वो भी बना करके देंगे। हमको उसका पता चले कि कितनी क्वालिटी में इसमें देश में लागत है, इसकी कितना इसका वो है, तो वो भी हम बना करके देंगे। उसके लिए हमको कोई पैसा नहीं चाहिए, हमको सिर्फ मार्केट चाहिए, और हम मार्केट में ऊंची क्वालिटी का बना करके देंगे।
That's I appreciate your.
आप कुछ खाना
My question is to Pranav Bhatt.
Yeah, please.
You have nicely taken topic on nutraceutical and dietary supplement.
So nice of you for your compliments.
The point is
Yeah.
the challenge to all of you, to you and to all sitting here,
Yeah.
is that we can make a good nutraceutical in a good packing, quality products
That's true.
with international standard.
That's
The
right.
point is the countries which you have mentioned, Australia, Europe, USA, the point is how to market this product.
That is where the $1 million question comes. Once product should come, entire company will get vanished from the geographical map of India. That is why one has to move ahead very watchfully. I am not joking. I don't intend to show tom-tom on paper. This is the fact of the business, and one has to move ahead very watchfully. There is no second guess to it.
Yeah, we have reached the deadline of
Yeah.
6:30 stipulated by Mr. Radhakrishnan. I think one last comment or last question, whatever you have.
Presently, India is exporting to the tune of 512 crores or something what they said today morning. In that, 95% of the herbal product is from the natural habitat, that is hills and all, natural reserve. But we are expecting in 5-3 years it is going to be tripled or 5 times or 6 times. In already 800 to 1000 plants are in red alert. It is going to be extinct. That is what they highlighted in the morning, yesterday and all.
Yeah.
If it is going to be in such a terrific speed, where we will get or we will be losing the valuable thing once and for all. What measures government of India or we people are going to do?
I feel the federal people, people present ministry would be in a better position to answer to your question. I also see, I feel like the positive initiative taken by Mr. Radhakrishnan and his team, which includes the Squeaky, so some movement have started in a positive direction. Let us get contented with that initially.
Let us hope for the best then.
Thank you very much. I think with that we have come to the end of this session. I'm sure there may be a lot more questions, but I'm sure questions will always be there, and these need to be discussed rather than in a forum on a one-to-one basis.
Yeah.
And these answers will always be found in forums like this. I thank Mr. Bhatt for being with me on the dais here, and both of us, in fact, together thank the organizers for giving us this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.